Hi, I'm Jerry Gibbs, and today I'd like to look at how we apply dehumidifiers to a flooded house. So I've got a very low volume tent, but we understand that we dry using air changing, so the quicker we can get air to exchange inside the tent, the quicker we could dry. So I'm using the DH1200 INOX, which is moving about 380 cubic metres of air per hour, and it's consuming about 900 watts to do that. So I've got two ducts coming from my tent, and I've got one air outlet on my dehumidifier. So I'm going to put a manifold on there, a 3-port manifold, and if I put a blank onto the third port, all I need to do is add the duct in.